Hello wonderful people, my name is Joey. Welcome back to my channel, Joey Happy Place. Today we're gonna make my childhood favorite, Japanese cream of corn. Let's get started. First we're gonna dice up our onion. I'm cutting it this way so we can brown our onion more evenly. The first time I ever had this Japanese cream of corn soup is in Hong Kong. It's super delicious. It was like the soup base, it was silky smooth with a whole salted corn. And when you have it, it was just sweet and savory all at once. The flavor is phenomenal. Cream of corn soup is super famous in Southeast Asia. Campbell even selling it in a can, which is a cream style corn flavor with ham, cream style corn flavor with chicken. Even McDonald's is selling it. You can find it basically anywhere. If you guys are from Southeast Asia, I know for a fact that you're missing this cream of corn soup. You cannot find it anywhere else. And I have the recipe for you. So half a cup of corn. I'm using frozen corn, but you can actually have the fresh one. It even tastes better. So I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and marinate a little bit so it can have the savory flavor when you bite into it. So we're going to stir fry our onion until it's golden brown. Once our onion is golden brown, then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of flour to make our roux. I did not know what it called before it, and I googled it. It's actually called roux, not roots. So roux. And we want to stir fry it a little bit. The reason why is we want all the raw flour taste to be gone. And we want to stir fry it until the flour and the fat combine together, become a paste, so we can thicken the soup later. After you're done, then you're gonna pour in your 1000 milliliter of stock. You can use chicken stock, vegetable stock, anything you want. I'm just using 1000 milliliter of water with 1 tablespoon of chicken stock to make my stock. Then you're gonna put 1 can of cream of corn. After it's been boiled for 5 minutes, you can actually just use a handheld like blender, just blend it all together, or you can just pour into the blender and like blend it until it's silky smooth. You don't need to do this step if you don't need to, but I just like to have a silky smooth soup base. So what I do is I'm gonna drain it. So in here, you see my drainer. Then I'm gonna drain all those soup away. So this is only for my preference. I want my soup to be silky smooth and creamy. So I drained all those away, but if you don't, you can actually keep it into your bowl so it have extra texture. Then you're gonna pour the soup back into the pot, boiling it until you reach the thickness that you like. After you've been boiling for a second, then you better put it in medium-low heat. Don't be like me, I put in like high heat. So you will see what happened. I put 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cream mixed together. I like it super creamy, so that's what my recipe is. But if you don't like it too creamy, then you can just use the, you know, half a cup of milk, half a cup of cream, or even less than that. It all depends on you. Yeah, you better put it on medium-low heat. Don't be like me, because I was rushing it and it never did. It's almost done. So I did the lift and wait. We saved the day. So it's after it boiled, should not be boiled like this. Then we're gonna put our corn that we've been marinating for a while into our pot and wait until the corn is warm enough. Then we're done. Super easy. Now it's done. It looks amazing. Tastes exactly how I remember. If you like my recipe, don't forget to ring the notification bell. Look at the corn soup. Ooh, I don't think you can see it very well, but it's so creamy. It's really good. I put some dry basil on it, just for the garnish. It's so creamy. If you don't like that creamy, you don't need to put that much cream or milk in it. You can just put like half a cup of milk and half a cup of cream. Whatever you like, and this is just right for me, and this is delicious. I like to put the corn in it because I like it like a whole corn, and then you bite into it, the juiciness, the sweetness of the corn, it just explodes in your mouth. The texture is silky smooth, man. Like, it's so good. I've been craving like Japanese corn soup for a very long time, and the first time I ever have it is in like Hong Kong. It is in Hong Kong, so like I don't know what I was doing, but I'm pretty sure my parents brought me to a Japanese restaurant, and we have like cream of corn, and from then I fell in love. And I want to recreate it again. I've been looking for a recipe online, but it's like I can't really find like a perfect one. And I even go on like Loblaw or Walmart to buy the canned one, but they don't have it. I like in Hong Kong, I can buy it anywhere, like literally on this like store. Any store, I just go and I just wanted a cream of corn, and this is the cream of corn they're gonna give me, and this is delicious. You guys have been missing out. Like, seriously, make yourself one bowl and you will fall in love. Like, it's so good. And if you want the like, you know, like the corn, like you don't need to drain it like I do. You can just eat it still. It have no change. It just, I like the silky smoothness with the whole corn itself. So that's what I like to do. And this is like, oh my god, it's so good. The creaminess, the saltiness, the sweetness from the corn is like, it's the perfect combo. Oh, if you don't have the handheld mixer, you can just put it in the blender. It's the same thing. It's just easier to just use the handheld mixer, that's all. So delicious, like seriously, you guys need to make this. You really need to try this yourself for you to tell. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below what is your favorite childhood soup. See you next time. My next recipe is gonna be stuffed cabbage roll. I cannot wait to show you guys. Hope to see you guys next time. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Yummy, yummy corn soup. It's super creamy with a lot of corn. Yummy, yummy corn soup. I will share some with you right now. Yummy, yummy corn soup. I was just joking, it's all mine.